much just your seat and your position, make sure everything is okay. We turn the truck on. See the engine's kicking in there. It's connected at the back here. Now, just in gear, lights on, transponder on, which we don't need to turn on now. That just shows ATC where we are. So we're going on the airfield, we don't need that at the minute. In gear, handbrake off. And if I'm going to just go slow, we don't need to speed now. But we can just head off where we're going. You'll have the ATC radio on. We'll get cleared wherever we're going. So we get routes from the ATC. If we're going to Pier 4, we go down to the central fire lane here at the end there, call them, they'll route us down to wherever we're going. And then whatever needs be, we can obviously have the bumper monitor here. We put pumps in, we have water, we have foam, we have dry powder, which we won't use now. We can test the pumps around the back. So yeah, we just get ready. So whatever situation we're going to, we're ready to deal with it. So we go around the back. So we test them around the back now. So here, that's our rig. We do our tests on that. We do our training. You can go in there. On the right here, there's the control. You can get gas and fuel from it to set off fires. You have. Just let this guy here out there still as well. Yeah, so we do different drills. You've got the jet engine here, and then you've got the propeller ATR engine there on the far side, which we do different scenarios. So we'll get called to come in here. We might need sort of the jet engine, undercarriage flames, or a fire. We come in and deal with both of them, break them down. Other times you go under BA. You see the BA behind you there on your left. So if you're going into a fire, you're dealing with smoke anywhere where it doesn't sustain life, and we put the BAs on. We go in and deal with whatever situation we need there as well. So get the pump on. Then we have this is the main hate tread up here. This is another one we can go into high attack. So this will get us into the aircraft. It'll get us underneath. On the left hand side is the infrared. That's the camera. So if we go to an incident and we need to extend out or get up over something or anything, you can use this. It takes a couple of minutes to get set. So we've 3 attacks here. You've got high attack, mid attack and low attack. So it's in high attack at the minute. You just hit this and go into mid. We can also move it side to side, forward or back. We can control it with the joystick here. We can do a few other bits with it. But again, this is just if you need to get over vehicles or anything, we can use this. That will put out 6,000 litres a minute in the slowed position when it's here. This one, the front bumper monitor, is 4,750 litres a minute. This is a 6-wheeler that holds 11,500 litres of water, 250 litres of foam, I think, mixed down. But you get about 2 minutes out of this vehicle if we're having both of these going, or a minute or two. With the bumper monitor, you get a couple of minutes. So you're not in situ for very long, but you'll have another vehicle ready to back up. This one, if we get in empty up and move out of the way, you know. We also have a piercing tool. So this here is now, God forbid we ever need to get access into an aircraft. On the right hand side there, so you can see it on the camera here, is this one here. That's actually a piercing tool, so we'll enable that. So if that's pressed up against an object, anything, that piercing will come straight through, pierce the fuselage. But hopefully we never have to do that, and we can emit water. I think it's 1,000 litres a minute. But that will get in and knock down any fire that's inside. Please God, we never have to use that, but that's another thing. So you need to get in low, you need to get up close to anything underneath the fuselage or the undercarriage or anything. It's a great weapon. Again, you can move it side to side. They're a really good piece of machinery. And then when you're done there, we can just rehouse it, turn this off. You see on the screen here, it's all coming back into play. You have to get 3 locks here, so there'll be 1, 2, 3. That's when you know it's stowed back in the right position. So in the mornings we come in, we give these vehicles a full check. Everything is tested, everything. So we'll fill up, we'll use a bit of water here, we'll refill it. So there's your 3 checks. That means we're good to go. We can drive around, drive it back in the bay. These are the very similar controls that we were using inside. Bar, that's a really handy for getting access. So we're going up to 11,500 litres.